Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Quantum flashlight from Harbor Freight. They do have it on clearance right now. It's on clearance for $40, but you can even get half off of the clearance. So I was able to pick this up for about 20 bucks. This is the brightest flashlight I've ever owned. I'm going to show you at night how bright this is. It just shines forever. You can focus it by twisting it to a beam. It's got 3 modes, so it's got bright, dim, and then like an SOS mode. It's very easy to turn on. It's very rugged. It's got some weight to it. Now, it takes AA batteries. We're going to unscrew this. And it's got this carriage that holds all the AA batteries in it. So it takes 12 AA batteries. It does come with all the batteries that you need to make it work. And then you're going to slide it in here. And you're going to screw this on. It is watertight. There is an O-ring right there. So as soon as you get this screwed on, it is watertight. Here's a close-up of the LED. Again, I just can't stress how rugged. It's got some weight to it, but how bright this flashlight is. It's very easy. It just screws in and out to adjust the beam. I like that this is grippy. This is grippy right here. And it does come with a warning on it that says don't look directly into it. And I agree with that. It is super bright. I would not look into it. It says it's 3,700 lums. It does talk about if you got it on high, it lasts 2 hours, on low, 13 hours. Okay, so let's go over some measurements. So total length is right at 11 3/4. You know, the width up here, again, 2.5. Down here at the bottom is about 1 3/4. And its minimum, you're looking at about 1.5 inches. This is nice metal. It's got some gripper to it there, but just a very nice flashlight. I'm very happy with this purchase. Thanks everybody for watching.